today's video, we're going to be tearing apart my ASIC L3 Plus. We're going to see what's on the inside, give it a good clean, and see what makes this thing tick. I don't know how well this shows up, but you can tell that these fans pretty dirty. Haven't been cleaned in a while. Both of them. This one's a little cleaner. So I got it completely disassembled. So I got my two fans here, control board, one the panels, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 hash boards and an empty case. I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually dead bugs on the ASIC boards. I'm gonna take these outside, get them blown off. Alright, we got everything blown down. We're going to do a quick wipe on the exterior case. It's still pretty dirty, and this fan did not come quite as clean as I'd like, so we're going to wipe that down as well. And then we'll get it reassembled, see if I can assemble it the Panda way with a 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's all back and assembled. Now I gotta get everything plugged in, get it turned back on. What do you guys think I should be mining? Should I mine it to unmineable, mine something like Flux or some other altcoin? Or should I just run it and get the Doge and Litecoin? Or what else you guys got? I'm running this currently with the Bliss software. I think I should change it over to the Hive OS operating system. Let me know what you guys think.